Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to get free money on FireKirin. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open FireKirin application on your device. Now, type in the username on the first field and type in a password on second field. You can click on Remember Me button to save your login credentials. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on Forget link and follow the instructions to proceed. Now click on Login button. After you have been logged in, you can see a spinning wheel which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now you need to click on Spin button. Wait for the spin to be stopped. If you are lucky enough, you will get a free money from here. So that is how you can get free money on FireKirin. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.